So I've been spending all this time doing marketing and prospecting and outbound emails and Facebook messages to local business owners around Gilbert Square to fill up my vacancy. And we just signed a lease to take the full pad building. It's 3,200 feet, which brings us up to 80-something% occupancy now. And of all the places to get the lead from, it comes in off of a sign call, which is a great lead. My leasing broker goes, look, that's the best kind of lead to get because they're already there and they called on it proactively. And what we did on this property is I had my leasing broker put 3 signs out on all the sides of that building so that people could see it from any direction. I made that part of the requirement for him to get the listing agreement, and that just paid huge dividends. Like, that's a over $4,000 jump in cash flow, and the value of the building just went because of that. And I think the extra foot traffic coming in and out of the center is going to make a huge deal too. So very excited. That was reason to celebrate this week. I gotta document this before I forget it, but not too long ago I got back from my commercial real estate mastermind group. This is a group of ladies and gentlemen that I now think of as my Jedi Council. And what we do once a quarter, we get together in person and we do a portfolio review. We share deals that we're buying, deals that we're leasing, deals that we're selling, deals that we're refinancing across the entire country in pretty much every single asset class. And I always leave there feeling so inspired, so excited, so pumped up, and kind of thinking about the next level. And for anyone thinking about getting into this business as a sponsor or an operator who's going out and finding deals, it's probably been the single biggest catalyst to my growth. Like, having a coach and a mentor who helps to chair and facilitate that group, but really the relationships that I've built in there have been literally life-changing. You know, you look down my speed dial list today and most of the folks on there are people in that group who are participating in commercial real estate. So I just wanted to document this and kind of bottle up how I'm feeling coming out of that. A couple of the specific action items for me, and each time it's different and for each person it's different, but I know I need to be doing more direct mail because it's a great way to get in front of owners of property. I know I need to be looking at more deals. I know I need to be getting in front of more brokers. I do a good job of it, but there can always be a better job of it. And focus a little less on raising private capital, which I've been kind of working on, and more on deal flow. I've got, capital sitting on the sidelines. I've got friends and family waiting for my next deal, but the weak link that we have right now is good deals. And for me, that's, deals that have a problem, that have significant upside, that have the ability to force appreciation to them. And so I think they're coming. And that was some of the feedback that came out of the group is be patient, be disciplined, let the deals come to you a little bit more. And one more nugget for me was just to step up a little bit in quality. Just because I can put together a $2 million deal now doesn't mean that I should, because that's opportunity cost for maybe a $3 to $8 million deal in a better neighborhood with higher quality tenants. And so really being selective right now and kind of letting the ball come to you was one of my big takeaways for this session. So be interested to hear if you are involved in a group like this, or if there's been somebody in your investing journey that has helped, inspire you, help you grow, help you think bigger, help be a second, third, fourth, fifth set of eyes on your deals so that you have a lot of confidence moving into them when you close on those. Take care. Talk to you.